Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to boost Steam download speed. If Steam downloads are slow, there are several ways to improve the download speed. So firstly, what you need to do is make sure your internet connection is stable by restarting your modem and router. And the next is you need to open your Steam app. And once you get into this interface, in the top left there's this icon for the Steam, select there. And from here you need to select the settings. So over here under this setting, you need to go to this downloads. And under the download, here choose the server location here closest to you and also make sure limit the download. And if it's toggled off, simply toggle on and simply toggle it off. And if your download cache is corrupted, you can also click clear download cache. Here scroll a bit down and select this clear cache. Then sign into Steam again. And you need to close any application that are using internet connection such as web browser, streaming services, cloud storage or other game launchers. And that is it. This is how you can boost Steam download speed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.